You know what's weird about robot vacuums? They all promise to clean your whole house without lifting a finger. But the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, black or silver, AV251 WED AE? It's not even trying to be the best, it's just here. Suction power? Sure. Self-emptying for 60 days? Yeah, that's a thing. But let's not pretend this is some magic bullet. If you're expecting it to handle a construction site, you're already lost. It's built for average messes, not disasters. The real problem? The 90-minute runtime. That's not a lot if you've got a big plate. You'll likely split cleaning into 2 sessions. And the matrix clean? It's a grid pattern, which sounds fancy, but just means it goes over the same spot twice. If you've ever vacuumed manually, you know that's not revolutionary. It's just thorough. What it is, an engineer's compromise. The category's tension is between power and convenience. This thing chose suction over runtime. It's not the loudest or the fastest, but it does what it says. The spec says 90 minutes, and that's what you get. No fluff. Just a machine that runs until it needs a charge. Here's the thing. It's perfect for pet owners. The self-cleaning brush roll and strong suction? That's not just marketing. If you've got a dog that sheds like a Labrador, this isn't going to disappoint. But if you're using it in a house without pets, you're overpaying for features you don't need. The trade-off? The 60-day self-emptying. Sounds great, but if you're someone who cleans weekly, you'll never hit that limit. Most people empty it weekly anyway, so why pay for 60 days? Because the listing assumes you're lazy, which is fine, but don't mistake convenience for necessity. The listing? It's obsessed with pet hair. Every bullet screams tackle fur and allergens. But if you don't have pets, that's the hook they're relying on. They're not selling to you, they're selling to someone else. And that's fine, but don't pretend it's universal. Price? We don't know. Amazon changes it. The link in the description shows you the live price. If it's $500, maybe it's worth it. If it's $700, maybe not. The spec that matters here is the 90-minute runtime. If you need more than that, this isn't for you. Subscribe? If you like straight talk about gadgets, hit the button. No fluff, just facts. The listing? It's a masterclass in overselling. Ultimate solution for deep cleaning? Sure, if you define deep as not missing a single speck of dust. But the truth? It's a robot vacuum, not a miracle. Just a tool. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.